works. What did I do? Hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Have you ever wondered how pros make their runs sound so effortless? What if I told you playing runs is as easy as playing two chords back to back? Guys, let me show you this. Let's start out in the key of E flat. I know you know this. We're blessed in the city. We're blessed in the field. Now, how can we add a run to this? We're blessed in the city. We're blessed in the field. What did I do there? Let me show you. All I'm doing is I'm playing a 4-3-2 progression. And let me give you those chords just in case if you don't know. That's an E flat 6 chord, going to our E flat 2 chord on a 3, and then going to an A flat 2 chord. And now in between, what I'm doing is I'm doing this nice run. 2 chords, guys. That's all it is. It's 2 chords. That's our E flat 6 chord. And then this chord is our B flat sus 4 added 2. And together it's. And then you have a nice run. Let's hear it again. Now, let me show you the technique I'm using. I'm using my ring finger starting out on the E flat, and then I'm using my middle finger on the C, going to the B flat with my pointer finger, and then I'm going with my thumb on the G. I'm using my ring finger on the F, pointer finger on the E flat. On the C, I'm using my thumb, and then I cross over again with my pointer finger on the B flat. Another song. Let's go to the key of C. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, so that's another run we can do. That's just straight pentatonic. And our pentatonic is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 5, and the 6. And that's all I did was I just played a straight pentatonic scale going right down. And I ended right there on my 6. Let's do one more upbeat one. Let's see. Let's go to D flat. Come on and bless the Lord with me. Bless the... Yeah, that works. That works. What did I do? What did I do? I'm playing my pentatonic scale. All right, what is that? That's your D flat, B flat, A flat, F, then we're going E flat, D flat, E flat, F, D flat, B flat, and A flat. And all of that is going over this 1, 3, 4, 5 progression. I'm going to do that really slow for you. I'm going to do it even slower. All right, we're going to call that a lesson. Guys, thank you so much for coming in and learning with me. I would love it if you go and tell your musician buddies about this channel. Go and share the news with them. And remember, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.